Hi guys, welcome to the Charles de Gaulle, Paris, France airport vlog. I always do one of these and I'm going to quickly show you. They've got this like pinky nude Chanel classic flap. Lighting isn't the best to show you guys, but there we go. I don't really like this nude color. It's not the best, but it's amazing they've opened up this Chanel there. Okay, so this was definitely not here last time. They've opened up a Cartier. I could just spend hours here, but my plane is actually boarding in 10 minutes. I always do this because why go to the airport like a million hours early? I already go, in my opinion, like super early. But they've got the Panther collection. Oof, so many amazing pieces. I'm so excited to show you this. So I feel like, hold on a second. We have to see this for sure. Gorgeous Panther ring. And of course they've got the prices, which is so good. So I'm just gonna let you guys see this, which is amazing. I love the little dainty one over there with the diamonds. And even without the diamonds, it's such a great piece. Not a terrible price point. I'll see if they have one without. There's the thicker one. That's the double one, and then this is the classic one over here. I mean, the dainty love bracelet with the pave diamonds is so stunning. Just gorgeous. Let me show you this collection, which I've been loving over here. These have just become so popular in the past, I would say like 6 months. I've been seeing so many people wear this collection from Cartier. It's like both masculine and feminine. It's like that nice mix of both. And these are so pretty. Again, love that. Everything is there for us to see, price-wise. They don't do that in the US or Canada. This is in white gold. This is just over here, if we can see the classic love ring, 1,744 euros. Classic necklace. And then the classic without any diamonds is 6,594 euros. The thinner one is 4,248, and I believe you get 12% off VAT at the airport. I'm pretty certain. This is the Trinity ring over here, 24.96. They've got the earrings. Both the tank watch and the Panther watch are beautiful from Cartier. This over here is the Panther watches, which are just so elegant, timeless. I mean, these are just, you can find vintage ones for such like great, online you can find ones that are like from the 50s, from the 40s, and I personally think that's pretty cool. These are just beautiful. And then I wonder if they have the tanks, because I've been seeing those a lot, and they're also, this is the Santos, which is not as popular, I think, at least for women. Pasha over here, and here's the tank, but these are the tank ones. They don't have a gold one. It looks so different when it's in stainless steel versus gold, or like even the white gold. And let's do a little bit of Louis Vuitton. They've got their new collection. Look at this with the pumpkin. Look at this with the pumpkins. It's so bright. It's a nice pop of color. And this is the pochette métis with the pink, the little capucine bags. They have so many capucine bags. This gorgeous croc one. Love this baby pink with the acrylic. This is so pretty. I love this. It's very different with all of these beautiful tones. Perfect for spring. This one with the snake skin. It's gorgeous. This is 3 tones. It's got the white, beautiful lemon yellow, baby pink. So beautiful. Oh, this is the Micro Speedy. I don't know if I've seen this in person, but I love how it's got the really pale pink and then the bright pink. Not, I like the baby pink, but it's really interesting, the little mini monogram. They've got some other scarves, which we don't want right now because we want warm weather. But yes, look at these cute little earrings. only I could vlog like this for you guys all the time, it would be amazing, because I could literally just say what I want to say. When I go inside these stores, I always feel like I just have to say I love everything, because A, I'm not supposed to be filming, and B, I feel like they're going to tell me to stop any second. But at the airport, they're just like a lot more okay with it, if that makes sense. Like, they don't care. I guess because you've gone through security and all of that stuff, so I'm not sure. But yeah, their new collection, this is pretty cool. This is the Dauphine bag over here. They've got the Neverfull. There's also the twists up there with the little top handles, the Neo Noe. And then look at this little cute Speedy. This over here is a new piece that I haven't seen before. It's kind of like a hobo bag. Not my style, but I'm sure it would look really cool on somebody. They've got this gorgeous yellow bag in white. There's some men's stuff over here. Oh yeah, the men's collection is pretty cool. That's really neat. What do we think? What do we prefer, the women's collection or the men's collection for this limited edition piece? There's so many great pieces here. Some bracelets, necklaces. This chunky one is very cool. This is from the new collection as well, these little necklaces. I'm gonna quickly show you some of these over here. So cute. And I feel like that's gonna wrap it up for Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna show you a little bit of Bulgari. Bulgari is always gorgeous. Let's see if they have some of their bags. Of course, they've got their, sorry about the camera work, their beautiful Serpenti collection. Bonjour. Yes, this is so pretty. This little ring over here. These are gorgeous. And of course, I'm going to show you some of their watches, which are so pretty. These are their more classic ones. As you can see, it's got the Serpenti head. This is a super dark green. They've got their classic bracelets. And I love that they have the prices too. So if you're interested how much it is, there it is. These little daintier ones. Look at this gorgeous bangle. Let me make sure it focuses. They're super classic Serpenti necklaces. These are so pretty. These earrings over here are great. And then I've seen so many people wearing these in the street style videos, these gorgeous watches. I love how they wrap around. This one wraps twice, this one wraps once, and then these are like the acrylic ones. Really beautiful. And I just want to quickly show you their bags. This is the new collection, and there's just something about having like a metal handle makes it so beautiful. Like, look how unique this is. See, this excites me because it's something different, something I haven't really seen other brands doing. And even this cute little bag is really sweet. I really love this. They've got some great spring colors over here. This beautiful purple, green, and of course we've got the sparkle over there. And these little pouches, like very Bottega inspired, but different because of the gorgeous handle. There's just something about this one, it's so pretty. We're in Dior. They've got these cute little shoes. Let me see. Their new collection with the map of Paris. I did go to Dior quite a few times, so I'm sure you guys have already seen this, but let me find something I haven't shown you. So Dior used to never do any silver. They're doing so much silver now, which I personally love for their costume jewelry. Like, here, let me see if it can focus because it's not. There we go. These in the back used to come in gold. Now they're in silver, and I love it. They also have some rose gold. Here you can see is all like their classic gold ones. I feel like it's a little bit tough to show you guys. I want to make sure you guys can see all the eye candy. But yeah, these are really cool, and I'm gonna love the gold, but the silver is just seems like it's fresh and new, if you know what I mean. Let me know if you agree. And let me pan up and show you these. There's some gorgeous bangles here with pearls. This is completely encrusted in pearls. There you guys can see the tribal earrings. some silver ones. Of course, I have to show you some classic Dior, Lady Dior bags. These are 3 different sizes. So the middle one is the medium. Then this is the My Lady Dior size. It's in between the little baby micro one here. And this is, am I allowed to go behind? This over here is a new bag. They're very nice here, which I really appreciate. These are the Lady Joy bags. We've got this gorgeous lizard one. These are the Caro bags, which I love. I love the turn lock on these. This gorgeous blue color. And we've got some shoes over here. Bonjour, comment ça va? Très bien. And these are from their new collection. Love these little shoes over here. So cute. Lots of florals. And there's men's over there. Okay, there's a gorgeous Celine here. So they've completely, since I've last was here, redone this airport. I'm gonna do a real quick overview of everything. I love these Triomphe bags. This brown is gorgeous. Canvas. I always feel the black and gold is just so classic, so beautiful. Lizard. And then this over here is the teen size, they call it. And this is the classic medium. This is one of their newer bags, which is a really cool shape. I just like something that's a little bit interesting and different because I feel like we've seen it all. I know I've mentioned that a few times on this trip, and it's just like I want to be inspired, and when you just see the same things all the time, you're not very inspired, right? These cute little pieces I love. You can just put your wallet, keys in there, phone in your pocket. They're perfect. But what I'm not a fan of is the logo, because Celine's supposed to be a super understated brand. Like the most logo Celine's ever had is, let's say, something like this. So, yeah. And then I'm going to show you a couple of their wallets. Again, I don't like the big logo, no. But the Triomphe is what makes Celine so special. So this I love. But let me know if you guys agree. These adorable hair clips I love. And look at these earrings. They say Celine Paris with the little crystals. They've got these with a little Triomphe. These gorgeous ones with baroque pearls. And look at these. These are earrings, hoops. It comes in silver, gold. Love this little brown bracelet, the gold one, the chunkier hardware. And these are all necklaces over here. These scrunchies I adore. I love a good scrunchie. And over here we've got some of their bigger bags. This is their new Cabas tote, which I like their original Cabas tote a lot more than this one. This one I'm not a fan of. I did see it in Paris when I went to the flagship. It's a cute little size. This is another one of their Cabas totes. I definitely prefer this one over here. It's pretty cute. This little canvas one. This cute blue one. They've got Prada on this side. Actually, this whole trip I didn't show any Prada because Prada was doing so much. Everyone was copying their little re-edition bags. You know, it was amazing. And everyone was loving Prada. Other companies were copying them. And now it's just like not exciting. I can't wait till they do something new because I know they will. And Miu Miu, for example, is doing amazing, new, different things right now. So that's a brand that really, really excites me. But Prada right now, I just can't wait until, you know, there's something different and exciting. There's Gucci here, which I have liked Gucci lately, actually. Like their Jackie bags, the Blondie bags. I'm gonna take you inside there and show you a little bit. So let's head into Gucci. Again, gorgeous how they've redone everything. They've got men's over here. They've got the bamboo bags. Some cute little wallets. It's great, these airport vlogs, because I can actually freely film versus the flagship boutiques, you can't. Like, it's very hard. But yeah, these are so cute. I'm gonna do a quick overview because I don't actually know if I'm allowed behind the counter here. So I quickly will show you guys this. This is cute with the canvas. They've got the Dionysus bags over here. These, I don't see the Blondie bags, but I am gonna search for them. Marmont, so over that. And here I see the Blondie bags. Do we not agree that this is their best bag right now? I love it in this size. Actually, it's one size in between There's a size like that's slimmer. This is too thick, and it's gorgeous, but they don't have it here. Or this might be it up here actually. I think it is. And those are the Blondie shoes. They've got some really cute belts over here. Really beautiful spring colors. And there's some accessories. This really cute little scarf, wallet on chain, hair brooches. I love when they have hair accessories. I just think they're really cute. Some of their jewelry, very statement, like this brooch, the one with the pearls. They got some beautiful silver pieces over here. Some rings, which I do like the rings, the dainty ones, if we can see that a little bit. And then this is a Marmont bag over here. Okay, I'm going to show you just a touch of Hermes. They've got these gorgeous Oran sandals. I believe this is in the Rouge Cellier. These are beautiful. Some of their bracelets. This gorgeous one. Got the little bangles over here. And I did do, as you guys have hopefully watched, Hermes vlog in Paris. So I've shown a lot of this in there. But yeah, they've completely redone the Hermes. It used to be on the other side. I hope you loved all of the Paris content. I love you guys so much. I'll be back in Paris soon, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next city for sure. Of course, subscribe and follow my Instagram, my TikTok. It's just DV Double Vanilla. I really hope you enjoyed this trip, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Happy